Hello everybody, it's Kate, aka Crafty Beldam. I hope you're all doing well. In the video today, I will be showing you how I make my cuffs for the Hexagon Cardigan pattern from PassioKnit Kelsie. This is how my cardigan turned out. Let's get started. This is Line Brand Mandela in the shade Cupid. Once you have the sleeve length that's to your liking, we're going to single crochet evenly around. So single crochet into the clusters. So you'll do 2 single crochets and then single crochet in between the space between the clusters. You've completed the first row, I'd recommend using a stitch marker, and we're going to be switching hooks to one size smaller. So I've been using the 6.5 millimeter hook, so I'm going to change it to a 5.5 millimeter hook. And in the next row, we're going to do single crochet evenly around again. So single crochet in each space with your smaller hook. For the next row, we're going to start decreasing. So do 2 single crochets and then decrease into the third. You'll repeat this around. So do 2 single crochets and 1 decrease. For the next row, we'll be single crocheting into the back loops only. So on the back loop of the V, do 1 single crochet and repeat this around. In the next row, I'm going to decrease again, but this time decreasing into the back loops. So you'll do one single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and then decrease into the 5th stitch. And repeat this around. So one single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and then decrease. This is going to start kind of cinching in the cuff. Always double check by putting the sleeve on to see how you like it around your wrist. This is enough decreasing for me. So moving on to the next row, in both loops, we'll do a single crochet evenly around. And this is just going to create just a little bit of a ribbing effect. So once you have your cuff like the way you want it without any more decreasing, you're just gonna repeat 2 rows in the back loops and then 1 row in both loops, single crocheting evenly around. So now that I did in both loops, the next 2 rows I'm going to do single crochet in the back loops only. So keep repeating that around until you get the length of the cuff that you want. Once you have that length, on the final 2 rows, you'll do 2 rows of single crocheting in both loops. So no more back loop only. The last 2 rows saved to doing single crochet evenly around. Or doing your remaining stitch, do a slip stitch into that stitch and fasten off your ends. And this is what it will look like when you're done. I think it looks cute. I am not a fan of doing the vertical ribbing, so this works for me, and hopefully it works for you. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you get a serotonin boost today. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!